Right, guys, so this is the second part of the registration process. So you have not watched the first part, which we did the registration for the conference. You have to go and watch that before you watch this. Now, after our registration, now just have to go to the same website and then you tap the three dot lines at the top right corner. You see these options there: the key information, alter guidelines, call for paper, online submission, online registration, and then we have visa, conference visa. So this is where you need to create, and then you need to fill the form for the invitation letter. So visa information for Fourth World Conference on Business Management and Economic Participant. So if you're going to be participated in this conference, then you need to fill this invitation letter form before you can get your invitation. But before you apply, make sure you have completed your registration and you have paid your registration fee, because failing it without providing details of your payment will not be attended. So take note of that. Now here is some information to consider. So the type of visa in France that you need to know has been described, has been explained here. Either you go in for short stay visa, which is the Schengen visa. Okay, so these things have been explained. What you have to do is to take your time and go through. And then we have conference invitation letter. Now for those delegates who need a visa, we strongly recommend securing an official letter of invitation from the Fourth World Conference on Business Management and Economics organizers, as it can significantly smooth the visa application process. You need the invitation letter for your visa application, so that's why you need to watch this video to the end so that you know what to fill, okay, in order to get the invitation letter. Now please be aware that the letter of invitation will be issued exclusively to delegates who have completed their registration and have made the necessary payment or receive approval. So you need to make sure that you have paid and you have registered, okay, before you fill the form. Now these are the information that you need to present. Now preface, now you select whether you are Mrs., Miss, Doctor, and so on. Okay, so you need to just follow the instruction there to complete the form. It is very easy to complete it. You need to make sure you enter your name here. Okay, so choose and then enter your full name. Okay, so this is my full name there. Then the next one, are you, then full-time attendee or attendant. Okay, full-time academic. Okay, so are you in school or you are into academic? Here you choose other if you are going to listening. Okay, so the next one, provide your phone number. Then you provide the email address that you provided on the form or on the registration form, and then you select your participation type, which is listener, and then payment date. Now you provide the date of your payment, and then the institution you provided there. That your country, you provide your country. Your nationality, provide your nationality there. Okay, provide your nationality there, and then your date of birth, and then you provide your passport number. Then you provide the expiring date of your passport number. Then when you're done, then you hit on submit to submit your application for the invitation letter. It is very simple. It is very simple to apply. Now, how long does it take to receive the invitation? So after you are done with the registration, now the invitation letter will be issued within 1 to 3 business days after we received your request. So it is going to take 1 to 3 days in order to receive your invitation letter to attend this conference. Then after receiving your invitation letter, then you can proceed to apply for your Schengen visa to attend the conference on the 5th of December 2025 to 7th of December 2025. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.